How to download Steam on laptop or PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So here, as you can see in the video that I've already downloaded the Steam app, but in this video I will show you how you can install Steam app on PC or laptop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser on your PC. For this video, I'll be opening the Google Chrome app. And now here, once you're inside the web browser, then you simply have to click on the search bar and simply search for Steam. And now here, on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Steam. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply go to the top right corner and there you simply have to click on the option labeled Install Steam. And there, once you click on it, on the next page, you simply have to click on Install Steam again. And this will download the Steam launcher. And here, once you have downloaded the Steam launcher executive file, then you simply have to minimize the Google Chrome app and you simply have to open the folders app. And now here, once you have opened the folders app, then you simply have to click on downloads, which can be seen in the left hand sidebar. And now here, once you are inside the downloads folder, then you simply have to find the Steam setup file. And here, once you have found it, then you simply have to double click it. And after that, you may get a Windows security pop-up. So here, you simply have to confirm it. And after that, you now see a Steam installer. So there, you simply have to click next, and there you simply have to choose the language, and after that you simply have to click on next again. And once you're done with it, at the last you simply have to click on install. And here, once it's done, make sure to run Steam is checked and click on finish once it's done with its installation. And here, after installing, Steam will download its main update. So there you just have to sit back and let it complete, and it will extract and install everything it needs. And here, when it finishes, it will automatically open in its login form. So here I have already logged in with my account, but if you have installed the new Steam app, then the login screen will look something like this. So here, once you see this option, then you can simply log in with your existing account. Or if you don't have one, then you can simply create a new one by clicking on this option that says create a free account. And here, once you have logged in with your account, then you simply can play games in this account or by installing it through the Steam. And that's it. That's how you can install Steam on Windows. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.